Textron Systems recently showcased its Aerosonde Unmanned aircraft system. The weapon system is a proven combat aircraft with 600k hours of mission support in some of the world's most challenging environments. Purpose-built to meet the U.S. Army's future vertical lift requirements. The Aerosonde Mk 4.8 Hybrid Quad HQ FTUAS has enhanced flexibility with a runway-independent configuration that uses hybrid quadrotor technology to achieve vertical takeoff and landing. With its expanded size, weight and power swap profile, the system can execute the Army's Brigade Combat Team's aerial reconnaissance missions while retaining its two-soldier portability that enables rapid system movement by US-60 helicopters or tactical vehicles.